You had me at Merlot. Actually, we're not drinking Merlot at all tonight. We're doing a copycat recipe. We're making Carrabba's Blackberry Sangria. Did you hear me right? We're making it. So here's what you're going to need to make this drink. So we're going to start with some Monin Blackberry Sangria mix. We're going to need some cranberry juice. Use cranberry juice, not cranberry juice cocktail, because juice cocktail has a lot of sugar in it. And you're going to need a nice red wine, dry wine. I found that a Malbec works best. Merlot is actually a little too dry and it doesn't turn out right. And we're going to top it off with some fresh blackberries and some fresh raspberries. Okay, so I have it pre-measured out so that we don't have to waste too much time pouring. I got the Blackberry Sangria mix, 8 ounces, 8 ounces of cranberry juice. We're just going to put it right in here. We're going to make this a carafe. You can make individual glasses if you figure out the measurements. But 8 ounces of each of those and a full bottle of Malbec. Get every last drop there. We don't want to waste any. And we're going to give this just a good little mix here. All right, now that we got it mixed up real nice, next thing we need is our glasses. I usually throw about 3 or 4 ice cubes in each glass, maybe 5, just enough to cool it down. And then a couple raspberries, a couple blackberries, and then we just top them off. Now, if you read the recipe on the label, it says that there are like 6 servings. I don't know about you, but my wine glasses are pretty big, so it doesn't make quite 6 servings. So here we go. Take a look at that. You got nice fresh raspberries, nice fresh blackberries in there, a couple ice cubes. This is about to be delicious. Wow, I think we did all right. I appreciate you tuning in. Please like this video, click that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that and click that little notification bell right next to it. You'll get notifications every time I post a new recipe. Thanks for stopping. I appreciate it. Have a great day.